Hello everybody. Now in this video, I'm just going to share with you how to use Form G-1650 or the Authorization for Automated Clearinghouse Transaction or the ACH transaction. Who fills out the form? Is it the applicant or the petitioner? And some important tips so that your application or request will not be rejected by USCIS. So don't skip this video. Subscribe now if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Click the notification bell button to get notified on my uploads and updates about K1 visa, the US visa, especially the green card. Yes, so hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jhai and Jerry. If you're new here, my name is Jade. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. And just like you, I am a K1 visa filer myself, a DIY. So I know what you feel right now. I know exactly what you're going through, the stress, the struggles. I've been there, done that. So that's why I share my personal experience through my videos. If you visit my channel and go to playlist, you'll see an album title there, K1 Fiancé Visa. I have there the videos of my experience, updates about K1 visa right now, especially that it's 2026. And you'll see an album title there, Adjustment of Status, when I applied for my adjustment of status under marriage-based green card. You may check my videos. It might help you, especially for my fellow US visa applicants right there, especially the K1 visa who are doing a DIY process just like me. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience, my research, my knowledge about K1 visa, especially a DIY process and adjustment of status, and soon I will be applying for my removal of conditions. So yes, I highly encourage you guys to always visit the official website of the US visa. That's uscis.gov, and the other one is travel.state.gov. Those are the official website of the US visa. So please always check for the most reliable information about the immigration, the visa processes. So yes, as you may know, USCIS do not accept personal check, money order, or cashier's check as mode of payment. You now use Form G-1650 for an electronic funds transfer to pay the filing fee for an application, petition, or request with the USCIS from a US bank account. Yes, so the account must be based in the US, here in the US, only US bank account. And you need to make sure that you have enough funds or sufficient funds so that your payment will go through. Because if the transaction is failed, then USCIS will reject your application and return to you. So make sure you have enough funds. And now take note, USCIS will only make a single attempt to withdraw the fee. Now, if you have insufficient funds, then your payment will not go through. Now, once the payment is successful, you have to remember that all payments made are final and non-refundable regardless of the outcome. Now, another reason why some applicants' applications or requests are rejected is that their banks automatically block ACH debits and rejects USCIS withdrawal. Now, here's some tips so that your bank will not reject USCIS and that you don't end up with a rejected application or request. Before you submit your application or request or petition, you need to contact your bank to permit the Department of Homeland Security to debit funds by ACH from your account. For example, remove ACH debit blocker. The agency location code is right here. These are all the numbers. There's quite a few numbers. So you need to contact your bank before you submit your application so that you will not be rejected on your application request or petition. Because that's majority right now, the common reason why the application is rejected because of it, because the bank rejects it. So USCIS don't have any other choice but of course to reject your application and return to you. So that's very important. You need to call your bank before you submit your application. So here's another example right here on how to find your routing and your account number, because it will ask on the form G-1650. So this right here is your routing number, and then this is your account number, and then your check number. Those are the numbers that you need to provide when you fill out form G-1650. So you need to fill out the form properly and correctly so that as well you will not get rejected. So I'll show you. Let's fill out form G-1650. G-1650 for you guys, the authorization for ACH transaction, and you can get this form through the USCIS website itself, uscis.gov. So when you print out this form, you have to make sure that you print out the entire form correctly. The very bottom should be visible, the edition date of the form, and the barcode. This is very important right here. So let's zoom it in. Who fills out the form, Miss Jai? So who fills out this form I-6 or form G-1650? Is it the applicant or the petitioner? Now, whoever owns or whose name on the bank account will be the one who fills out this form. If you don't have a bank account, you the applicant, if applicant you don't have a bank account yet, then have your petitioner or your husband fill this out for you if their name is on the bank account. But if you have, you can fill it out yourself. So yeah, you have to indicate, make sure, of course, the given name, middle name, and then the last name. And then you need to pick which one, whether it's a business account or a personal account. Do not leave this blank because your case will not be, or your application request or petition will be rejected. So choose between a business bank or business account or personal account, and then account holder's name as it appears on the account. So please make sure as follow what's on the account name exactly as it is. So given name, middle, and the family name, and then for business name if it's business account, but if it's not business account you can put NA here. So for bank account information, you need to pick whether it's a checking account or a savings account, and then the authorized payment amount. It should be in dollars. And then this is very important. You need to indicate the routing number, the bank name, and then the account number. I already shown you earlier on how to find it or where to find it. So please make sure that you put the numbers here. And then another important thing, the authorization signature. You can't edit this one, so you need to sign this using a ball pen, black pen, or a wet pen, or as what they call it. So you need to sign this using a black pen. Don't forget to sign it, or else your application will be rejected. Another thing, another reminders or instructions I will show you here are other numbers for the USCIS lock boxes. So these are the location code for each lock box. As you can see, Phoenix, Dallas, Chicago, Elgin, Montclair in California, and Minneapolis. So these are the ALC codes. and the bank statement notation. So please, if you are on this lockbox offices, then you may call your bank to have them whitelist or unblock these numbers for your ACH transaction. So that's it. I hope this video helps you guys with your confusions. I know a lot of you there are confused. How do you use Form G-1650? And again, another reminder, all payments must be made in dollars. Please again visit uscis.gov for more information. Please help me share, and don't forget to like and to leave a comment if you think this is helpful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now so you won't miss anything. You get updated on my posts about K1 visa and adjustment of status, especially the payments, this and that. Good luck, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.